Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Study time by Fosible Class. Chapter number 1. Exercise 1.4. Question number 6. Zubaida scored 527 marks out of 850 in her SSC examinations and obtained 693 marks out of 1100 in her FSC exams. In which exam did she perform better? Solution. Zubaida scored 527 out of 850 in SSC exam. It means 527 divided by 850. We divide 527 on 17. We got 50 and we got 31. Sorry. And 850 we got 50. So we have, after simplification, 31 divided by 50. Zubaida scored in FSC exams 693 out of 1100. It means 693 divided by 1100. Take 11 as a common factor. (63) multiplied by 11 divided by 100 multiplied by 11. We cancel these common 11 and we got 63 divided by 100. SSC exam ratio FSC we have 31 divided by 50 ratio 63 divided by 100 multiplied by 100. We multiplied with bigger value and in this case we have bigger value of 100. Ratio 63 divided by 100 multiplied by 100. We cancel it with 50 2s are 100 and 100 1s are 100. So we have 31 multiplied by 2 ratio 63. After multiplication we have 62 ratio 63. Thus FSC exam in FSC exam her performance is better. It is our answer. Question number 7. Nasser scored 58 runs in first inning and 85 runs in second inning of a cricket match. If the same team scored 261 runs in first inning and 357 in second, in which inning Nasser performance was better? Now we have to solve this question. Solution: Nasser scored 58 runs in first inning out of 261. 58 divided by 261, this is equal to 2 multiplied by 29 and 9 multiplied by 29. So we have 2 divided by 9. Nasser scored 85. 85 runs out of 375 in second. This is equal to 85 divided by 357. 357. Sorry, it is 357. This is equal to 5 multiplied by 17 and 21 multiplied by 17. This is equal to 5 divided by 21. In first inning, first ratio, second, 2 divided by 9 ratio 5 divided by 21 multiplied by 63. 2 divided by 9 multiplied by 63 ratio 5 divided by 21 multiplied by 63. Next we have 7 and 3. 2 multiplied by 7 ratio 5 multiplied by 3. This is equal to 14 ratio 15. Thus, second inning is better.